Hello everyone. Hope you have great weekend. Thank you for being here. Let's discuss 10 reasons why someone is looking for dumps. Not only reasons, we will discuss the solution and then some next steps. Someone is asking for dumps. Now we say no to dumps. Now they reach to next person, and they keep asking until they are satisfied with some answers. Well, first reason, very common reasons, as we all know, just say, I was looking for sample questions, I was not exactly looking for dumps. Second, I personally know many innocent, someone who is just looking for start their career, but they misguided by someone else. I will come back with solution for each steps, and no worry, I will keep it very simple. Third, fear of failure. Fourth reason, fear of money loss due to that failure. Fifth, there is a mindset. I was not looking for dumps. I was looking for some confidence booster. Next reason, pressure. Next reason is past. Sorry to adding this point here, but yes, one of the common reason. Now, there is another reason, negative competition. Almost reasons are common, but intent are different. Let me explain one by one. One more reason, and that's called someone shared some content in a WhatsApp group, in a Telegram channel. I was around, so I just. So these are some common reasons. I have some, one-to-one discussion with many candidates. When someone asks me dumb, I simply ask why you are asking dumb. Try to understand the intent, then give them a solution. First thing, if someone is looking for sample questions, then great news is that for many exams like platform app builder, admin, JavaScript developer, for these exams, when you visit the official exam guide on Trailhead, there is one separate trail mix. There is two trail mix basically. One trail mix is designed for detailed study. Second trail mix contains interactive study tools which contains lots of sample questions, lots of flashcards, and those sample questions are, you are looking for that. Practice with that. There is some related module along with each questions there. If you are going to submit on that module with the interactive design sample questions, if answer is wrong, then they are suggesting you learn more with this module. These are some sample questions. If you are experienced, if you are looking for some advanced level certifications, I hope then you are working already with some partner company. And if you are working with any partner company, then it means you have partner account, you have partner learning camp. And in that partner learning camp, I saw we have again interactive questions. Again, lots of practice questions in chapters. And as we know, for the advanced level exams or even for basic level exams, main thing is how much you are doing practical, how much you have knowledge in day-to-day routine. Why you are looking for dumps? Yeah, if we have lots of official practice samples, practice guide. Next, I said innocent people, misguided by someone. We always say, if you can't guide someone, please don't misguide someone. And if you are a learner, then try to understand these things. Go for certifications, sure, but spend some time, learn, then go for. Don't be like blind follower, someone misguided and you have started following. Fear of failure. Here I am very I can say, for the fear of failure, at least learn from those who are sharing their failure with proudly. I also failed some exams. I also keep sharing. Many people are sharing. Many successful people are sharing. These failures are not your, some breaker in your career. These failures are helper for your career. Utilize that failure. But why failure? It might be possible. Let me give my example why I failed my integration exam. I am very good in integration. I have not even checked in exam guides properly. Yeah. And when I was giving exam, I found I have to learn lots of things. Still, I am integration champion. I say myself, I am very good in integration, but lots of things I need to learn. So, suggestion is fear of failure, prepare well, then go for exam. And if you are going to fail, then feel proud. You are going to learn something from those failures. And recently, I was reading one official blog, very well mentioned that failure during the exam is better than failure in your real-time projects. Next, money, fear of money. Of course, valid reason. Yeah, we are earning money with our hard dedications. Yeah, we should have. Again, the same thing what I have discussed in the fear of failure. Spend your money, but if you are thinking, okay, this week my exam age, if I am not confident enough, get the change for future. Prepare well, you will not lose the money. And in case again some failure happen, then you are working, you are earning, then you are going for spend your money. Trust me, that investment is worth investment. Yes, it will come in another way in future for sure. Please prepare well and go for this. And here I also want to add, for this quick success, there is a very good video recently, I can say like a few months ago, by David Lowe. Please check that video in description. He discussed many psychological things like how these dumps are going to damage you in psychological terms. Pressure. Next is pressure of adding X. Why? Which type of pressure we have? If you have fear competition, if you have fear pressure, means positive competition, then you are taking it for learn more, spend your efforts in learning, spend your efforts in understanding the context, and of course you will get an X as per your wish. Go for that, yes, surely, but with hard work, with honesty. From childhood, we learn honesty is the best policy. This is the best time to implement that. These certifications are not classroom certifications. Many people are doing lots of hard work for this. People are sharing, yeah, I prepared, but still I failed. Many people are sharing, I am spending last 1 year for this specific exam. I have spent few weeks for these exams. Few people are spending years for earning experience, knowledge, then attempting exam. At least learn from them. The last was again very important. Someone is sharing some content in group, in Telegram group or maybe in WhatsApp group. What to do that time? That is perfect time to act. Please report those to the trailhead support team. Please report to the credential security team with given link in description. And you know what? They are taking it very seriously. Yes. I see lots of comments are getting deleted from many places. Now, one more action. We all are in some WhatsApp group. If someone is asking dumps, sometimes I see we all don't want to engage. Please speak. Don't wait till someone else will come. I'm happy to see lots of people are going to share their thoughts. No, please don't ask the dump. This will harmful. Prepare with this link. So if you are in this group, please act. It's your time to show your activeness in that circle. Utilize that opportunity and guide that person in proper way. And for these topics, awareness is really required. Awareness, because we are in the large numbers and very few are busy in their day-to-day dump. If we unite together on this topic, we start sharing some awareness. I'm sure, I know not 100%, but at least few percent if we can control, then that's awesome. What we can do? Few months ago, we had some discussion on Twitter, and we thought we should talk about this in the community meetups. Yesterday, I'm very happy to getting some response from our participants. They all were happy. They're sharing their thoughts publicly. We can talk on this topic. We can have some slide, 30 minutes, 30 seconds, 1 minute. We can bring some awareness in our participants. If you are YouTuber, we can have some 30 seconds, 15 seconds of content. If you see something, please report to this link. If you are a blogger, you can add something in your blog somewhere on the, if you found some dumps around, please report on this official trailhead security to the trailhead security team. Because we have lots of contents for learning, lots of things. And if we start adding something there, maybe we can leave some impact. I am very much worried for the newbies level, like freshers. Some fresh graduates, they are going to start their career and they are going to be misguided by someone else. So we should at least save their careers with bringing some awareness in those. We can help them, and please share your thoughts. Please share on your post about these things. Say no to dumps. Please record your thoughts, share with us. Let's bring some awareness for this topic, so that now people who is talking about these stuffs, at least they will think, oh, now they are active. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Bye bye. Take care.